Some words sound the same but spellings change. They're called homophones, it's kinda strange. Two, 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 see, see, sun, sun sound alike, but meanings are different. Fun. Listen close, spell them right. Homophones make your writing bright. Say it, read it, sing it loud. Homophones make us super proud. Some words look and sound the same. Hooray!